Hello, good evening. And first of all, I want to greet you, Marriage Enrichment Community, on your 25th anniversary. You know that it does not need an occasion like this for me to express how thankful I am and so appreciative I am of your ministry. I've told you this many, many times that your ministry is one of the strong pillars of St. Paul the Apostle Church. You are preparing good leaders of our church, leaders who would keep our community going, who would proclaim the kingdom of God to people, who would invite those who have not been coming to church to come back. So really, I want to thank you and congratulate you on your 25th anniversary. And very specifically, I want to thank Jim and Joyce Rao for helping begin marriage enrichment ministry here at St. Paul. You have my respect, my appreciation, my gratitude, and my love. I appreciate everything that you do for the church, your witness, your good example, how committed you are to our parish and to the ministry of proclaiming God to people and helping couples keep their vows and also evangelize young couples and young adults to get married in the church and be Christ-centered in their journey, in their marital journey. So Jim and Joyce Rao, congratulations. Thank you very much. The whole parish community of St. Paul the Apostle Church loves you. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your evening.